Some amazing facts about swallowtail caterpillar. Swallowtail caterpillars are the larval stage of butterflies from the Papilionidae family. There are over 550 species of swallowtail butterflies, each with unique caterpillars. They are found on every continent except Antarctica. Swallowtail caterpillars exhibit incredible camouflage to avoid predators. Many species mimic bird droppings in their early stages to remain unnoticed. As they grow, they often change colors to blend with their environment. They are named after the tail-like extensions on the adult butterfly's hindwings. Some species have false eye spots to scare away predators. These caterpillars are herbivorous, feeding primarily on leaves. They undergo complete metamorphosis, transforming into a butterfly. Defensive adaptations. Swallowtail caterpillars have a unique defense organ called an osmeterium. The osmeterium is a forked, fleshy organ that emits a foul smell to deter predators. This organ is usually hidden but pops out when the caterpillar feels threatened. The smell is often compared to rotten citrus or chemicals. Some species secrete toxins that make them unpalatable to birds. Their bright colors can act as a warning signal to predators. They can sometimes play dead to avoid getting eaten. Some caterpillars mimic snakeheads to frighten birds and small mammals. They remain motionless for long periods to avoid detection. Their slow movements make them harder to spot. Growth and development. Swallowtail caterpillars shed their skin multiple times as they grow. Each growth stage is called an instar. They start as tiny larvae and can grow several inches long. They consume their old skin after molting to recycle nutrients. The time from hatching to pupation varies from weeks to months depending on species. Some species overwinter as pupae and emerge as butterflies in spring. Their diet influences their size, health, and coloration. If food is scarce, they might not reach their full size before pupation. Some caterpillars go through seasonal color changes. They can enter diapause, a hibernation-like state, to survive harsh weather. Diet and feeding. They primarily feed on host plants from families like Apiaceae, Rutaceae, and Lauraceae. Some favorite plants include parsley, dill, fennel, and citrus trees. The black swallowtail caterpillar is sometimes called the parsley worm due to its diet. Some species consume toxic plants, making them unpalatable to predators. They have powerful mandibles to chew through tough leaves. They can eat several times their body weight in a day. Some caterpillars are picky eaters and only feed on specific plants. Farmers sometimes see them as pests due to their feeding habits. They prefer feeding in warm temperatures, as they grow faster in heat. In colder climates, they eat more aggressively before winter. Habitat and distribution. Swallowtail caterpillars are found in forests, grasslands, gardens, and wetlands. Some species thrive in urban areas, feeding on garden plants. The Annis swallowtail is common along the west coast of North America. The eastern tiger swallowtail is found in woodlands and suburban areas. Some species live in mountainous regions at high altitudes. Tropical swallowtails are larger and more vibrantly colored. Some caterpillars prefer dry environments, while others need humidity. They can survive in a wide range of climates, from temperate to tropical. Their populations are affected by climate change and habitat loss. Some species migrate as adults, but the caterpillars remain in one place. Reproduction and life cycle. Female butterflies lay tiny eggs on host plants. A single butterfly can lay hundreds of eggs during its lifespan. The eggs hatch in about 4 to 10 days, depending on the temperature. Newly hatched caterpillars are usually dark-colored and well camouflaged.